In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove write protection on either your USB flash drive or your SD card. This solution can also work on hard drives and SSD as well. So without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, let's check the problem on this USB flash drive. As you can see, the disk is write protected, and when you open the drive and try to right click on any of the file, you realize the delete option is even missing. This shows that the drive is write protected. If this is a USB flash drive with a write protection switch or SD card just like this one, then you need to check if the write protection lock is turned on. When the switch is at the right side, it means the write protection lock is turned on. And with this, you cannot format, delete, copy or make any changes to the drive. So you have to push the switch to the left side to unlock it. If still your problem is not resolved, then come to search and type CMD and run as an administrator. Then this black screen appears. Type Diskpart and press enter. Then list disk, then press enter, and you will see that all your physical drive will show up here. Now check the number on the drive. Mine is disk 3, so I will type select disk 3 and press enter. After, type attribute disk clear read only. This command should remove the write protection on your drive. So you can see disk attributes clear successfully. It means the write protection is now removed. Please note that this command works on all drives, which includes drives that do not have a physical protection switch, such as a USB flash drive, hard drive, and SSDs. And in case this does not work for you, then I recommend checking out these videos you see on your screen. I'll leave the links in the description below. Now let's go to the drive and check if the write protection is successfully removed. Right click on the drive and there is now a delete option. And yes, now you can see the file is deleted. Again, let's try copy and paste a file on the disk. As you can see, that also worked. Now let's try to reformat the drive. As you can see, the drive is now formatted. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.